Welcome guys, today we are going to create a bootable Windows 10 USB using Rufus. This method will also work for other operating systems like Windows 7, 8, Ubuntu, Fedora, and etc. I have already downloaded the latest Windows 10 ISO. Please check the link in the description to download the latest Windows 10 ISO. Open your browser and search for Rufus. Click on the first link. I am using the portable version of Rufus. Download according to your preferences. Choose where you want to save the file and click Save. Open the downloaded Rufus file. Select Yes if you want to check for updates. Rufus will automatically select the plugged-in USB. Manually select the USB if you have 2 or more USBs plugged in. Select the downloaded ISO image. We need to check your hard disk partition scheme to select this option. For that, right-click on this PC and select Manage. Select Disk Management. Right-click on your main hard disk and select Properties. Under the Volume tab, you can see that my hard disk partition is Master Boot Record, MBR for short. Select GPT or MBR according to your hard disk partition. Change the label if you want. Click Start. Windows will give you a warning message since this will delete all data in your USB. Click OK to continue. This may take some time according to your device. Once the process is completed, you have a bootable Windows 10 USB. Rufus also changed the label of my pen drive. Open the USB drive to verify the files. Give this video a thumbs up if you successfully created a bootable USB. Subscribe for more quick techs.